morning!
Hello! So we are now exploring our new place.
Yes, we're in Gyeongju.
So like that.
Got the bus back from the temple, which was a bit...
Yeah, it felt a bit squirrely by the end, just my stomach and stuff. Because he was going around those corners like a madman.
We were very tired, but we couldn't check in, so we went and got a coffee at a really cute place, and then we went for a nap when we could check in.
Yeah. So yeah, we did that. Then we actually met up with the guys who we were at the temple stay with. Had a bit of an explore, trying to find some dinner, and found a bit of a random place, but food was nice. The drinks were flowing.
Yeah.
We had some. In the most European way, we went to 7-Eleven, bought a bunch of beer and soju and stuff, and just sat on the side of a.
Yeah.
I was next to the tourist information centre for some reason.
Before a really fancy cocktail bar.
Yeah,
and then back to the bench.
Yeah, so we did it all. Got home about like 2:30. So, you know.
Feeling it a little bit.
Feeling it a little bit this morning. But yeah, now we're just going to go explore so we can kind of go out and about and go from there. But no, it was a really good evening, really nice temple stay. But now we're going to go look at what we can find.
Yeah.
Right. I'll show you what we find. So Alex and I have been looking at all these on this road, and each one says what it is.
It's a wild boar.
And that is a wild boar, apparently. Alex thought it was a platypus. They're all a little fun. A rabbit. I'm sorry, what? Nice family.
I haven't seen the tail.
So one of the things this area is best known for is these tombs. Now they're not kind of what you describe as a traditional tomb, because they are essentially, where is it? Yes, so it's that. It's the giant mound of greenery which has trees on it, and there's a bunch of them around. You can see some over there, but it's just interesting how different it all is. But yeah, it's really pretty and different and weird. Big fan. We're going to try and get the drone up to see if I can get a shot of it so you can see what it looks like, and go from there. So yeah, this is what I mean. It's just a big unnatural mound, but you can see how large it is by the size of both the trees and the people. It's quite impressive. Up to have a look at the mounds and tombs. Really cool, really interesting to see them, and how many. They kind of remind me of Bohol in the Philippines, which are like these places called Chocolate Hills. But yeah.
Yeah, these are ancient tombs from the Silla dynasty, like kings and queens, and they found lots of artifacts and stuff in them.
Which is cool. Now we're gonna go grab some food. I did get, when I had the drone up, it's very windy today. I did get one warning being like, come home because it's too windy. I was like, okay. It's always better to be safe than sorry. But yeah, no, it's a fun little town.
Yeah, it's nice and laid back.
Yeah, definitely.
And flat.
And flat, which helps. So
we've got honey cheese. No, honey, and then honey cheese, which I was expecting the cheese inside, but she just melted it and put it in top of the microwave.
So yeah.
We'll try them.
So this is stunning, and it's literally, that's the main road. So this is where we ate last night, which was really cute and really fancy. But yeah, it was good. Hey,
Hey.
how's it going?
Oh, I got some sore legs.
Yeah.
Yeah, like the old part that's also all the restaurants and shops has been done really nicely.
Yeah, because even the new builds there are still in keeping with the old ones, so you kind of, it's not evident immediately which one's new and which one's old.
Yeah, and now we're just walking down to the actual traditional Hanok village. Like a really nice bridge bit. So we can walk through some of the tombs and find some lunch.
Yeah, because we're both getting hungry. So yeah, it's the actual area around us is absolutely stunning. Like, you can kind of see it over that fence.
Yeah, it's just mountains.
Yeah, it's like there's mountains everywhere. But yeah, it's really a nice little place. Very touristy, but not in a necessarily bad way.
No. Yeah, so
It's well done.
This is the edge of the village.
Cool.
We ended up in 7-Eleven for lunch because we left it too late, and now all the restaurants around here are now closed on a break from 3 till 5. So we have bento boxes. So good and cheap.
I mean, not a bad view at all. It's worth it.
I said it was good. Oh my god, that last step was a killer.